Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create videos from text using AI. So let's get started the video. At first open your web browser and go to Google Gemini and then sign in with your Google account. Now click the text box and from here click the plus icon and then choose create video from the list. Here you will find some template. You can use them to create your video, or you can just simply type the text you want to turn into a video. You can click here and choose if you want this landscape or portrait. You can also add an image by clicking here. Once you are done, click the send button. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your video will look. Wait a few moments while AI creates your video. Once it's ready, you can preview the result by clicking here. Once you are happy with the result, click on the video and then click Save to download the video. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.